Let me show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4. So there are two different ways. First, if you simply want to pair them to another device, if you actually do not want to change settings on them, just pair to another device, you simply open the case, leave the earbuds inside, and you press and hold this button for roughly maybe like 4 or 5 seconds. So you'll see the lights start to blink like this. Okay, I actually didn't press it properly. So yeah, let's repeat it. So you see the lights start to blink like this in various colors. That means we can actually pair it with another device. But what if you actually want to do a full hard reset, which also will wipe all the settings on the buds? Then what you have to do is, if you have a Samsung phone, you simply go in your phone settings and you see they will appear here. But if you do not have a Samsung phone, you'll need to download the Galaxy Wearable app. So I'm going to simply open it here. And you see over here in the Manage Connections tab, we have Reset option. So let's click this, and yep, essentially it will like reset everything, also wipe all the settings on them essentially. So wait a bit, so they will see boot up, and then you see they kind of like reboot, and you can pair them as a new device essentially. So click this, for example, and you see they will get like added. And again, all the settings that you had set on them again will get completely wiped from them. Also, for example, yeah, if you want to like return them or sell them or give it to someone else, again, make sure you have done this. Just like pressing this button here on the end, again, will only like enter or exit the pairing mode, but that actually won't like reset all the settings on them. Okay, good luck.